Hello everyone, and let's continue our first lecture of Easy ECG series. And as Albert Einstein said, life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. So continue move and study well. So in the last videos we have finished the electrocardiogram and the electrophysiology. Today we will talk about deflections. The ECG graph consists of series of deflections or waves. Each electrocardiographic deflection has been assigned a letter of alphabet. Accordingly, a sequence of wave that represents a single cardiac cycle is sequentially termed as P, Q, R, S, T, and U. By convention, P, T, and U waves are always denoted by capital letters, while the Q, R, and S waves can be represented by either a capital letter or a small letter, depending upon the relative or absolute magnitude. Large waves over 5 mm are assigned capital letters Q, R, and S waves, while small waves under 5 mm are assigned small letters Q, R, and S waves. The entire QRS complex is viewed as one unit, since it represents ventricular depolarization. The positive deflection is always called the R wave. The negative deflection before the R wave is the Q wave, while the negative deflection after the R wave is the S wave. Relatively speaking, a small q followed by a tall R is labeled as QR complex, while a large Q followed by a small r is labeled as QR complex. Similarly, a small r followed by a deep S is termed as RS complex, while a tall r followed by a small s is termed as RS complex. Two other situations are worth mentioning. If a QRS deflection is totally negative without an ensuing positivity, it is termed as a QS complex. Secondly, if the QRS complex reflects two positive waves, the second positive wave is termed as R dash, and accordingly, the complex is termed as RSR dash or RSR dash by small or a capital letter, depending upon the magnitude of the positive R wave and the negative S wave. So what is the significance of ECG deflections? First, we have the P wave. It's produced by atrial depolarization. Second, we have the QRS complex, which is produced by ventricular depolarization, and it consists of three waves. The first Q wave, it is the first negative deflection before the R wave. R wave is the first deflection that is positive after the Q wave. Finally, the S wave is the first negative deflection after the R wave. T wave, it's produced by ventricular repolarization. And finally, the U wave is produced by Purkinje repolarization. Within ventricular repolarization, the ST segment is the plateau phase and the T wave is the rapid phase of ventricular repolarization. So we have finished our lecture today, which was about the deflections. And let's jump to the question of today. You would be wondering, where is the atrial repolarization? Well, it is represented by the TA wave, which occurs just after the P wave. The TA waves is generally not seen on the ECG as it coincides with the larger QRS complex. But I have an advanced question, which is why in third degree heart block, atrial repolarization wave is not present. Thanks for watching. I will be more than grateful if you press the like, subscribe button and share this video with your colleagues. If you have any suggestions to improve my channel, leave a comment and let me know, please. See the description below for the newest updates and for more infos. Also, don't forget to follow us in other social media sites. Keep your narcotic dose and good luck.